गलियां अपनी ये रास्ते अपने, कौन आएगा अपने आगे, राहों में हमसे टकराएगा जो, हट जाएगा वो घबरा के।
ये मूवी आज भी जब टीवी पर आती है, इसको सबके साथ देखने का एक मज़ा ही अलग है. I'm pretty sure this must be a trendsetter during those days. Last year when we got hit by the first wave of COVID, everybody got more health cautious, and then our gyms were closed, so people chose cycling as a alternative for exercise, which was also helping in maintaining the social distance. बहुत सारे scientists and geologists ने predict किया है that the next big crisis that आप और हम face करेंगे is going to be climate change. So we only have 7 to 10 years. उसके बाद this damage is going to be irreversible. How can we contribute to save our planet? This is Timir. Welcome back to my channel एक मस्त मोला. So कई बार आप सोचते हो आपको साइकिल लेनी है, लेकिन कौन सी लेनी है? पतले पहिए वाली लेनी है, मोटे पहिए वाली लेनी है? You want to buy a cycle with gear, without gear? So आज का vlog is going to sort this out for you. सो मार्केट में राइट नाउ वी हैव मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ साइकिल्स, बट आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट 3 मेन टाइप्स ऑफ साइकिल्स जो लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते चलाने के लिए. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ MTB, विच इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज माउंटेन बाइक. लुक्स के बारे में देखा जाए तो MTBs आर मस्कुलर एंड इट हैज़ ऑल्सो नाइस थिक टायर्स. एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट फ्रेम, इट इज़ मेनली मेड अप ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम. इन वेरी फ्यू केसेस ये कार्बन फाइबर में भी मिलती है. अगर वेट के बारे में बात किया जाए तो इसका एवरेज वेट होता है अराउंड 10 to 15 kg. इसके टायर्स थिक होते हैं विच गिव्स यू अमेजिंग ग्रिप ऑन अनइवन रोड्स, अनपेव्ड रोड्स. बेसिकली आप इसको माउंटेनियस रोड पे चला सकते हो और अच्छी सड़कों पर भी चला सकते हो. MTBs जिनमें सिर्फ आगे की तरफ सस्पेंशन होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज हार्ड टेल MTBs. और जिनमें दोनों तरफ सस्पेंशन होते हैं, आगे और पीछे, दे आर कॉल्ड एज फुल सस्पेंशन MTB. अगर हम कंफर्ट की बात करें तो MTB हैज़ स्ट्रेट हैंडल बार एंड ग्रेट राइडिंग पोस्चर विच मेक्स MTB राइड्स वेरी इजी एंड वेरी कंफर्टेबल. नाउ कमिंग टू स्पीड, आप MTBs पर बहुत आसानी से 10 to 25 km/h की स्पीड अचीव कर सकते हो. बिगिनर्स के लिए MTB बाइक्स आर ग्रेट एंड यू कैन बाय वन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10,000 ऑनवर्ड्स. आवर नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ साइकिल इज गोइंग टू बी रोड बाइक. रोड बाइक्स आर वेरी स्लीक, वेरी शार्प एंड इट इज़ बेसिकली मेड फॉर स्पीड. अगर आप डिज़ाइन के बारे में बात करें तो इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन 2 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स. वन इज़ लाइट वेट, द सेकेंड वन इज़ एरोडाइनमिक्स. नाउ 90% ऑफ द फ्रेम आर मेड अप ऑफ aluminium and in 10% cases it is made up of carbon fiber material. आप सब Formula 1 कार के बारे में जानते ही होंगे. The complete body of a Formula 1 car is made from carbon fiber material because it is very stiff, strong and very lightweight. Road bikes का average weight is somewhere between 6 kgs to 12 kgs. इसके comfort के बारे में बोला जाए तो इसका हैंडल बार जो है that is basically a curled handle bar which we also call drop bar. It has very aggressive riding posture and it could take some time for a person to get used to it. So I will not recommend this to a beginner. Now due to its sleek frame, thin tires and lightweight, you can ride the road bikes easily to the speeds of 25 km/h, 35 km/h on straight flat roads. Or you are already into cycling, अगर आप पहले से चला रहे हो, so this could be a really nice upgrade for you अगर आप ज़्यादा किलोमीटर्स कवर करना चाहते हो, ज़्यादा स्पीड चलाना चाहते हो. So हमारा third segment is about hybrid bike. So as the name goes, it is a combination of little bit of MTB and little bit of road bike. Hybrid bikes are very comfortable, sturdy and sleek. Mostly the frame is made up of aluminium. इसमें 2 options आते हैं, one with front suspension, one without suspension. इसका weight होता है around 10 to 15 kg का and the tires are thinner than the MTB and thicker than the road bike. और आप इसको आसानी से 15 से 25 km/h की स्पीड से चला सकते हो. These will perform good on flat roads and you can also ride them on some uneven patches too. So अगर आप एक beginner हो and you are still confused कि मैं कौन सी साइकिल लूँ, you should go ahead and buy a hybrid. You will not regret that. Now I have my friend Puru from cycling community. जिसने 600 किलोमीटर्स का डिस्टेंस कवर किया. दैट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मुंबई से लेके गोवा का डिस्टेंस ऑन अ बाइसिकल इन जस्ट 38 आवर्स एंड 28 मिनट्स. इंक्लाइन पे साइकिल चलाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे अगर आप कोई फ्लाईओवर पर से साइकिल लेकर जा रहे हो, यू विल फील कि जब चढ़ान होती है उस पर चलाना काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट होता है. नाउ पुरू हैज़ डन 4 घाट सह्याद्री अल्ट्रा क्लाइंबिंग चैलेंज एंड he was 12th place finisher in that challenge.
Hi guys, I am Puru Khilari. I have been cycling since the last 3 years and till date I have done 26,000 kilometers. Cycling is a hobby of mine which I have converted as a passion, all thanks to Decathlon, and I have been associated with them since the last 2 years. Today in this video I will be talking about the 5 important things which you need to keep in mind before purchasing a bicycle. The first point is the purpose and the budget. So before purchasing a cycle, you should be very clear with the purpose and setting in a proper budget for your cycle. For many, the purpose of starting out cycling would be perhaps for fat loss. For some, they want to explore the nature and do off-roading. And in fact, nowadays many people want to do long distance cycling. So for whatever the purpose you have, there are cycles which are well suited for the purpose which you are looking for. Coming on to budget, which is a very important part. Cycle is an investment product and it is very affordable lately. It starts from 5,000 rupees and depending on the purpose and the budget which you are keeping in, cycles even go up to lakhs. Coming on to the second point, it is frame size. Choosing a correct frame size is very important as it is what will give you a comfortable ride and you will enjoy cycling much more because you won't be having any aches or pains in your body. Even today, many people do the mistake of choosing an incorrect frame size. Guys, it is very simple to avoid that. So what I suggest is never go by the looks of the cycle, but always do go by the proper frame size which is needed for your height. In order to do that, you will easily find the information on the manufacturer's website and on the product page of the cycle which you are looking at. The proper frame size differs from brand to brand and to the kind of bike to bike. So what I suggest is just do a slight research and select the proper frame size which is ideal for your height so that you reach your goals much more earlier and have a much more comfortable ride and enjoy cycling more. Go to the third point, which is, do I get a non-gear bike or shall I get a geared bike? So since you have figured out your purpose of cycling and I already set in a budget, it would be really helpful for you to understand if a non-gear bike would be best suited for your purpose. So say if you have time to cycle for like 45 minutes to an hour on a weekday or perhaps a weekend and the place where you stay is totally flat, meaning there are no inclines whatsoever, then in such a setting a non-gear bike would be best suited for you. But let's say if you want to cycle more than an hour, want to perhaps ride with your friends or solo, want to go off-roads or want to do long distance cycling, then in such a setting a geared bike would be best suited. Coming on to the fourth point, it is accessories. So guys, there are few accessories which will help you become self-reliant and help in your cycling journey. First of it being a bottle cage. So bottle cage is nothing but a simple attachment on your cycle in which you can easily carry a water bottle with you so that you always have water to drink. Then the second important thing is a multi-tool kit. So this is a small tool which will help you avoid many trips to the cycle shop for many such basic things as adjusting the seat height or to adjust the brakes or perhaps to install any new accessory which you just purchased. Then the third most important thing is a puncture repair kit which consists of a spare tube, a portable pump and a tire lever. So these three things are very important so that you never get stranded anywhere because you already have the tools along with you. Coming to the fifth point, it is safety. Guys, I must say safety comes first. Please make sure to wear a cycling helmet which will protect your head from any unfortunate event or perhaps an accident. If you are cycling early morning or late evening, please make sure to have a cycling lights and a reflective jacket so that you are visible from a longer distance to the incoming motorist. Initially, these accessories will cost you slightly bit more, but please make sure to invest in good ones because they will really pay in the long term. I would like to thank Timmy for giving me this opportunity, and guys, in the description box you will find the links of cycle along with the accessories, the safety gears that would be helpful in your cycling journey.
We also have advocate Sunaina, a cycling enthusiast who has secured first place in Mumbai, 18th in India, female category में, टॉल द 100 ग्लोबल चैलेंज में. ये अचीवमेंट इतनी इम्प्रेसिव है बिकॉज इन्होंने साइकिलिंग स्टार्ट की थी बस पिछले लॉकडाउन में.
Hi guys, I am Sunaina Kashid. I'll be sharing with you benefits of cycling for women. The most important is it is good for mental health. It is also fights off insomnia. Cycling during pregnancy ensures pain-free childbirth. While cycling, you expose to sun rays, which helps to generate vitamin D. Cycling helps to improve heart health and reduces chances of cancer in women. Cycling helps for digestion. It improves muscle strength. It also releases happy hormones. It also helps to boost immunity. Cycling reduces obesity. Regular cycling can tone your body. So start cycling. Stay fit, stay healthy.
Last but not the least, earlier I spoke about saving our planet. So cycling doesn't need any kind of fuel. मतलब less air pollution, less noise pollution, less congestion, and the amount of energy required to manufacture one cycle is lot lesser than manufacturing one car. So guys, stay fit, stay healthy, keep cycling, and once again, thank you for watching.